Hello guys, we have another video install that we are going to be doing today, or better yet, JM will be doing today. And the part that we are going to install is the CVT cover right here. Okay, so this CVT cover will go to her GTS300 and it's going to be like this. It's going to expose the Variator fan. And I got this from AliExpress for $27. So let's see if it's going to fit perfectly like the stock one and see if it's worth the money. It's a CNC quality, it's not carbon fiber. But yeah, glass is good. It comes with the new hardware, and I believe if you have a different color, you can unscrew these bolts and then you can change this one right here. But we just went with the all black because the other carbon fiber that we're waiting for, it will go next to this one, so it looks good. All right, you ready? Here's your gloves. Move this cover right here. You're going to need a 8mm socket. Then you're going to be undoing 2 screws. So this is the part that you're going to replace. So after removing the 2 bolts that holds this plastic piece, you have one more in there. Okay, that one. So you have to take that off as well. Bev, which one you think is more fun? Being a mechanic or a nurse?
Mechanic.
You say that now. You say that now.
They make a lot of money.
Well, yeah, some mechanic do. Not everybody.
Oh, I don't.
Teo makes a lot of money.
This is for free. Oh, it's mine.
Now try to test fit. Okay. So the 2 holes on your new part should line up with another 2 holes. Do they line up?
Yeah.
Okay. Part comes with new hardware. This is what we're going to use, so it will look pretty. So we're going to be using a 5mm Allen. Yeah, that's how you break it. You're knocking at it as if it's carbon fiber. It's not carbon fiber. CNC. On scale of 1 to 10, how hard is it to install this one?
1. 0. -1.
Fitment is good. And again, we got this from AliExpress. So for $20 to $25 yata. $20 to $25. Not too bad. Fitment is good, pretty flush. Alright, so that's how you install this CVT transparent cover. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned on our next video. This is just a quick install video. You just want to learn how to work on her Vespa more. Good job. See you on the next one. Peace.